Hi friends, welcome to our channel Cook with Sissy. Today we are going to do a very easy and quick recipe, that is onion pakoda. Let's see the ingredients. 2 medium-sized onions we have sliced as shown in the video. 2 chilies finely chopped, curry leaves and salt to taste. Next is besan flour 150 grams, turmeric powder and chili powder. Add besan flour to the onions. After adding, mix it well. Add chopped chilies to the mixture and curry leaves. And mix it well. Add some water. After adding water, mix it well. Add some besan flour and mix it well. It is a very easy recipe. Children also can try it. After mixing, add 2 pinch of turmeric powder and add quarter teaspoon of chili powder and add salt to taste and mix it well so that the masala and onion are finely mixed. The mixture should be thick as shown in the video. Now the mixture is ready. See the consistency. Take a kadai, add 3/4 of the oil. Let the oil be heated. Now oil is heated. Take a handful of mixture and put it into the hot oil. Wait for a few minutes. Turn it other side after its color changes. Now see the color has changed into golden brown. It looks so crispy. Now it is ready to serve. You can serve it tomato ketchup and chutney. It is a very delicious recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.